Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Steph. If you are new here, you are most definitely welcome. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for still sticking around with me, your baby girl. So without any further ado, let's jump right to this video. So guys, today I'm going to be doing my makeup for my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Ooh, 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 ooh. The queen was born today. So guys, I was born in June 2nd. So today is June 2nd. Although guys, I'm filming this video on the 31st of May. I'm supposed to film this video for, last week, but I was not just feeling well. So I decided that today, because I have to film this video, you guys have to watch my makeup glam for my birthday. I know I'm not going anywhere on June 2nd because it's I think it's on Wednesday. I guess I'll be at work. So I decided today that I have to glam my face for my birthday. But this video is going to be up on the 2nd of June. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I just hope I'll be able to edit this video before June 2nd. So tomorrow is 31st, yes. And I'll just try as much as possible. Tomorrow is Monday. I'll try my best to make sure that I edit this video because I'm going to work. You guys know I have 2 jobs. If you know, you know. I have 2 jobs. I have morning job. I have evening job. So I don't know how I'm going to go about this video. But I will just try to gather strength to make sure that I edit this video for you guys. You have to see this video on June 2nd. Hello, it's my birthday. Unfortunately, I'll be working on my birthday date. So if I've told them that I won't be able to come June 2nd as in my birthday, I'm sure they don't know that I'll be celebrating my birthday on the 2nd of June or I was born June 2nd. I'm very sure they don't know all those ones because I didn't tell them. I'm still new. I'm not new in the company, but they just post me to this branch. So I don't really think they know much about me yet. So yeah, let me just glam my face and stop rambling and let you guys see how I'm going to glam my face for my birthday. So guys, for my primer today, I'm using my Tasha the Sleek Canvas. This primer, a little bit goes a long way. When I first got this primer, I don't know that you just have to apply a tiny bit on your face. I think I'm going crazy about it now because I'm talking to you guys. I think this is enough. This should be enough. So if you have this primer or you want to buy this primer and you have never used this primer, make sure you just use a tiny bit, tiny bit, and like I said, a little bit of this product goes a long way. Guys, just ignore my fingernails. I know I said it's my birthday. I'm supposed to get my nails done, but okay, it's just been lazy lately. But it's okay, just take me as I am. Guys, you know now I like to glam my nails, but today is just not the day. It's not just the day. So guys, for my foundation, I'm using my Gucci Fleur de Beauté Fini Naturel. I think this is written in French. So let me just read the English. Gucci Natural Finish Fluid Foundation. That I can read that one. You guys can understand that one. So this one is in shade 436, medium deep 430C. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and use my sponge, and this one is from Beauty Bay. So I'm actually using this sponge for the first time today, guys. Let's just see if I'm going to like it than my, my beauty blender. Guys, I'm so grateful for my birthday this year. Like, I'm super excited. I'm so happy. So I'm just grateful that I'm alive to celebrate my birthday this year. I think I like this beauty sponge. I might go ahead and order more from this brand. It's very soft. It's not too soft. It's not too hard. So guys, for my concealer, I'm using my Fenty Beauty in the shade 410. So this is actually going to be my first concealer. You guys know already we do 2 concealers on this channel. I'm just going to go ahead and blend this first. As I was saying, guys, I'm just grateful for everything this year. I'm grateful for family, I'm grateful for work, I'm grateful for life, I'm grateful for everything. You know, I'm just happy that I'm among the living. If you don't know, I also had COVID-19 this year, and I thank God that I was able to, you know, to shove it, like they said in Deutsch. COVID-19 also this year that lasted for about 2 weeks. I have to isolate myself for 2 weeks. You guys know how it is. So I'm just grateful that I'm alive. You guys, you guys know this infection took a lot of people away, like a lot of people die, but I'm alive. I was able to overcome this infection. It's just, I'm just grateful to God. Like, I don't know, everything apart from COVID-19, I'm just grateful that I'm alive. You know, I'm among the living. So the COVID-19 was so bad, like I couldn't hit anything, but I try as much as possible to fight it. You know, I can't eat anything, I can't drink anything, everything is just tasteless. Guys, if you had COVID-19, you understand what I'm trying to say. It was just so horrible, like horrible. So guys, for my lighter concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape, and this one is in the shade Tan Deep Sand. I'm just trying to be extra because it's my birthday. On a good day, I don't apply concealer here, but it's my birthday. So let's just be extra. So guys, to add definition on my face, I mean my contour, I'm using my Revolution Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define, and this one is in number C16.5. I think this shade is not showing enough. I'm just going to go ahead and add shade 17.5. This one is dark, but I'm just going to make sure that I have tiny bit on top of it, not too much. Yeah, come through. So I'm going to go ahead and blend my contour first, like so. My 4-3 head. So guys, before I blend my concealer, I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face. I'm using my Tilbury Charlotte, I'm using my setting spray, and this one is Charlotte Tilbury Charlotte, I don't know. Hair brush flawless setting spray, party all night, stay all day. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend it first with my brush, then use my Beauty Bay Beauty Blender to blend the edges. So to set my concealed area, I'm using my Laura Mercier, and this one is translucent medium tip. So to set my contour slash bronze my face, I'm using my Revolution Glow matte bronzer, and this one is in medium. So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead to do my brows off camera to save some time, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. Eyebrows is out of the way. I hope you guys like my eyebrows. So before I move on to my eyeshadow, I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my lid. And to prime my lid, I'm using my concealer, the lighter shade that I used earlier under my eye area. And everywhere I wanted to bright up, I made the tart shape tape. Oh, so that's what I'm using now to prime my lid. Honestly guys, I don't know what I'm wearing now. I don't know the kind of eyeshadow I'll be going for, but I want something that is not too loud, you know. I don't know. Let's just see how everything goes. So guys, first and foremost, so I think I'll go in first with this Maybelline New York High Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. This is actually gel liner. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my lid, all over my lid. Guys, I think this brown is not deep enough, like what I really wanted from this gel, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna pray and make it work. This is not what I want. This is not what I want. This is not what I want. This is not the color I want. But we're just gonna go ahead and make it work. So now guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some eyeshadow on this gel. The eyeliner brown, it's not brown, I don't know why guys. See how brown it is inside the part of this gel liner, but I don't know why it's not showing now on my lid. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and add some eyeshadow on the top of this gel liner. Is it gel liner? Yeah, gel eyeliner, yes. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm using my Latte 2 Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and take this shade right here, and this one is called Coffee Brown, and apply it on the top of this gel liner if it's going to deep the color for me. Yeah, I think it's deepening it now. So guys, now I'm just gonna go ahead to take my Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and take shade Hedges. No, not edges. Shade Ginger. This is Ginger to soft the edges of the eyeshadow. So for my bottom lashes, guys, I'm using my gel liner, the one we first apply on our crease. So that's what I'm using for my bottom lashes first. So I'm just going back to my Latte 2 Coffee Brown to smoke my bottom lashes out. For my mascara, I'm using my Bad Girl Bank, and this one is from Benefits. My lashes, I'm using my Lily Lashes 3D Milk, a multi-dimensional lash. This is what she looks like. It's not too long, it's not too short. Let me quickly put it on and I'll be right back. We are back. My blush, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this one is called Buried Adore. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix these two shades together. So for my highlights, I'm using my Huda Beauty 3D highlight palette. Then guys, I'll be using this shade right here to highlight my face. So to line my lips, guys, I'm using my Henwa X Professional Makeup in the shade Espresso. And for my lipstick, I'm using my Huda Beauty, and this one is called Prom Night. And to top it up with lip gloss, I'm using my Fenty Beauty, and this one is Gloss Bomb. So to set my face, to bring all the makeup together, I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. Really, this setting spray, guys, it does exactly what is written on here. Like, stay all day. If you are looking for a setting spray that's going to last you all day, you might want to give this one a try, and I'm very sure you won't regret it because I love it. I use it anytime I'm going to work. But if I spray my face with this setting spray, it always stay, like, my makeup always stay all day. This is it. This is my makeup look for my birthday, but I thought I'm going to be all over the place with my eyeshadow, but for some reason, I don't know, the makeup look just came like settled. I have tons of things to be grateful for this year. I'm just so happy. I'm alive. I'm here today. I'm speaking with you guys. That enough is like everything. Just be grateful wherever you are, in the position you are. As long as you are alive, everything is going to work out for your favor. I don't know, am I preaching right now? Anyway guys, I hope you like this look. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. Share my video with your friends and family, and leave all your comments in the comment section down below. Thank you so much, guys. I will definitely see you in my next video. And if you want to see my face right now, just go ahead and click one of these two videos right here. And if you are new here, you can as well subscribe to my channel right here. It's free, like I said. Thank you so much, guys. I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.